Hello everyone. Today's topic is citrus canker disease, which is one of the important bacterial disease affecting all type of important citrus crops. It causes necrotic lesion on fruits, leaves and twigs. And due to this disease, losses are caused by reduced fruit quality and quantity and premature fruit drop. This citrus canker disease is endemic in Japan and Southeast Asia, from where it has spread to all over the citrus producing continent except Europe. What is citrus canker disease? This disease it is a bacterial disease of worldwide distribution occurring wherever citrus is grown. It is a serious menace to our most valued citrus orchard, causing objectionable blemishes on the fruit. The disease causes serious damage in India, China, Japan and Java. The pathogen incites severe canker disease in a number of citrus species on stem, leaves and fruit. The disease attacks most of the species or varieties of citrus plant. The most susceptible species are the acid lime plants, the sweet orange and the grape fruits. Causal organism of citrus canker. This disease is induced by the bacterial pathogen which is Xanthomonas axonopodis Pathobacteris citri. It consists of a short motile rod furnished with a single polar flagellum which is a monotrichous type. It lacks endospore formation. It is a gram-negative aerobic form surrounded by a mucilaginous capsule. It forms chain. It is an aerobic bacterium. The climatic factor which favor the disease are the mild temperature and wet weather. The most suitable range of temperature appears to be 20 degree to 30 degree centigrade. Classification of the pathogen. This belongs to kingdom bacteria. Phylum is Proteobacteria. Class is Gamma Proteobacteria. Order Xanthomonidales. Family is Xanthomonidaceae. Genus Xanthomonas and species is Axonopodis Pathovirus citri. Next is what are the symptoms of citrus canker disease. This disease affects all above ground parts of the tree, but most susceptible are the leaves, twigs and fruits. It particularly produces scabby lesion on the surface of the fruit and thereby reduce their market value. The lesions first appear on the host surface as small watery translucent spot which increases in size, turn dark green with age. The host tissues surrounding the spot become raised, resulting the spots to develop convex surface. The central region of the spots gradually turn light brown and spongy and break down, producing crater-like appearance. With age, the spot become corky and brown, sometimes pinkish, assuming a cankerous appearance. ये जो disease है वो सिट्रस जितने भी प्लांट्स हैं उनके सभी अबव ग्राउंड पार्ट पर इन्फेक्शन कॉज करती है, स्पेशली लीव्स, ट्विग्स एंड फ्रूट्स, क्योंकि फ्रूट्स पर भी ये डिजीज कॉज करती है तो उस वजह से उसकी जो मार्केट वैल्यू है वो काफी कम हो जाती है, प्रोडक्शन भी कम हो जाता है इसका. The lesion on the foliage at first appear on the lower surface as small round raised spots. तो सबसे पहले जो इन्फेक्शन के स्पॉट्स हैं वो लोअर सरफेस से स्टार्ट होते हैं. These are translucent and of yellowish brown color. Later the spots turn white or grayish and finally rupture. The older lesions are corky and brown, sometimes purplish. The necrotic brownish canker region are surrounded by a yellowish brown to green raised margin and distinct watery yellow halo region. The yellow halo region is free from the pathogen. The cankerous lesion contain the pathogen in millions. तो एक जो region है spots है उसके अंदर millions of bacteria are present. The lesion on the twig are usually irregular in form. The lessons on the fruits are similar to those on the leaves but lack the yellow halo. लीव्स जो फ्रूट्स पर भी सिम्टम्स बनते हैं, लेसन्स बनते हैं, स्पॉट्स बनते हैं, जो कॉर्की अपीयरेंस बनता है वो लीफ के जैसा ही होता है लेकिन येलो हेलो नहीं होता है. येलो जो हेलो रीजन है, दिस पर्टिकुलर रीजन इज free from the pathogen. Here you can the symptoms on different parts of the plant. You can see the leaf, both side, upper and lower side. Spots or corky lessons are clearly visible, and in the next diagram you can see the symptoms, corky appearance on the citrus fruit. Disease cycle. Infected twigs having old lesson are the main source of infection. जो इसमें जितनी भी ट्विग्स होती हैं नॉर्मली जिस पर की कॉर्की अपीयरेंस होता है वो उसका मेन सोर्स है इन्फेक्शन का. दीज लेसन्स ooze out bacteria which are blown away by the wind or dispersed by rain. Healthy plants are infected by these bacteria which enter through stomata or wound. बैक्टीरियल इन्फेक्शन का कॉमन जो इन्फेक्टेड पार्ट होता है दैट इज स्टोमेटा या फिर वुंड के थ्रू ही बैक्टीरिया हेल्दी प्लांट को इन्फेक्ट करते हैं. The bacteria on penetration into the host multiply in the intercellular spaces, dissolve the middle lamella and gets established into the cortex. होस्ट प्लांट के अंदर एंटर करने के बाद या उसको पेनिट्रेट करने के बाद ये क्या करते हैं, वहां इंटरसेलुलर स्पेस जो होता है सेल का वहां मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, मिडिल लैमिला को डिसॉल्व कर देते हैं और कॉर्टेक्स के अंदर अपने आप को एस्टेब्लिश्ड कर लेते हैं. लेसन ऑन हेल्दी प्लांट्स बिकम विजिबल अबाउट 7 to 10 days आफ्टर इन्फेक्शन ऑन द अंडर साइड ऑफ द लीव्स एंड सून देयर आफ्टर ऑन द अपर सरफेस. जैसे ही हेल्दी प्लांट इन्फेक्टेड होता है इस पैथोजन से उसके 7 to 10 डेज के अंदर अंदर ही उसके सिम्टम्स क्लियरली विजिबल हो जाते हैं और सिम्टम्स पहले लोअर साइड्स पर अपीयर होते हैं एंड आफ्टर दैट ऑन द अपर सरफेस. मैन इज आल्सो एन इंपॉर्टेंट एजेंट ऑफ डिसएमिनेशन थ्रू इन्फेक्टेड नर्सरी स्टॉक. High mean temperature, which is 20 to 30 degrees centigrade, coincide with high rainfall, favor the development of disease. Here you can see the disease cycle of citrus canker. First is the fresh inoculum, which is a normally primary जो infection है जो cause करता है, that is twigs हो सकती है infected. They are disseminated by from this infected twigs, the pathogen are disseminated by winds, rain or by insect. The host infection through wound and stomata, that is the secondary cycle like first. This is main is the that is the main active phase, or we can say the dormant phase of the disease cycle. And after that penetration in affected host tissue, and after that this cycle goes on. This fresh inoculum, again the pathogen are disseminated by wind or rain or insect and infect the healthy plant and they enter through stomata or wound. How can we manage this disease or control the citrus canker disease? By eradication. The disease is controlled by the eradication of diseased tree. This is accomplished by removing the trees with advanced infection and burning them. पर पूरा का पूरा हम प्लांट को इरेडिकेट कर सकते हैं, उसको हम जला सकते हैं इसको कंट्रोल करने के लिए. प्रूनिंग कर सकते हैं. द इन्फेक्टेड ट्री में बी क्योर्ड बाय रिमूविंग द डिजीज्ड foliage and branches with pruning scissor and then spraying the trees with 1% Bordeaux mixture at regular interval. प्रूनिंग के लिए क्या है, जो इन्फेक्टेड पार्ट होते हैं उनको हम सीजर के थ्रू कट कर सकते हैं और उसके पश्चात जो 1% बोर्डेक्स मिक्सचर का है उसका रेगुलर स्प्रे हम उन इन्फेक्टेड पार्ट पर कर सकते हैं. द यूज ऑफ डिजीज फ्री नर्सरी स्टॉक फॉर प्लांटिंग इज द बेस्ट मेथड ऑफ कंट्रोलिंग द डिजीज. द फॉलन इन्फेक्टेड लीव्स एंड twigs should be collected and burned. Spraying. Spraying with Bordeaux mixture and lime sulfur is a useful measure to protect the fruit. It should be done during the first 3 months after the beginning of the fruit formation. Spraying should commence before the onset of the rain and repeated during the rainy season. And in this, because of the presence of the bacteria, 85% of citrus production in Japan is of moderately resistant. After that, citrus nursery should be raised in place away from the region of the heavy and protected rainfall. There should be no khatti hedges around the nurseries. This is a sour fruit, so we can avoid this type of hedges around the nursery. The use of antibiotic spray is useful in controlling the disease. Streptomycin sulfate and phonomycin have been found to be effective. In areas where the citrus canker bacterium is endemic, 3 to 4 spray of copper are required for even partial control of the disease on susceptible trees. बोर्डेक्स मिक्सचर के साथ साथ हम इस कॉपर का स्प्रे भी कर सकते हैं इसको कंट्रोल करने के लिए. अदर देन biological control, we can also control by biological means. Spraying with neem cake is effective in controlling citrus, and after that replacing susceptible citrus cultivar with resistant cultivar. By this method, by eradication, by pruning, by spraying, we can control, or by using the resistant variety, we can manage or control the citrus disease.